Okay, you guys, I am making some espanadas. So right now I am cooking the ground meat and I am adding some seasoning in the ground meat, okay, which is my Caribbean seasoning. I love Caribbean seasoning, you guys. Then I'm going to add some garlic, okay, yeah, some garlic. Okay, and then I'm going to add some black pepper because we are going to have some espanadas. Okay, yes, espanadas, honey. Okay, these espanadas are so good. So yeah, I love to use my Caribbean seasoning. Everybody knows I love Caribbean seasoning. So yeah, this is all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to put some of that in it. Okay, because I love my all-purpose seasoning. And yeah, so now I'm just going to let the ground meat just cook. And now I'm just stirring up the meat. So I add the seasonings inside of it. So yes, this is ground beef. And yeah, I'm just mashing it in the pan as I cook it. And yeah, so just stay tuned because I'm going to show you how I make my empanadas. Okay, so just stay tuned. So now you guys, I have the ground meat actually simmering. So I'm going to take this top off. Okay, take the top off. You see how the ground meat is actually simmering, and yeah, as you can see, you see the meat is cooking. I drained some of the oil out, but not all, just some of the oil. I drained some of the oil out. So now we're going to make the browning sauce for the empanadas. Okay, so before I do that, I'm going to take my teapot, and I have warm water warmed, and I'm just going to put some water, just a little bit. Pour some of that spring water in there, and then I'm going to just add three drops of this browning sauce. And then once I do that, I'm just going to stir, just so everything can like gradually blend in. Okay, so I'm trying to make that browning beef sauce. Okay, you guys, just let it gradually just blend in. That's what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm going to add like a little bit more water, and I'm going to actually cut the fire up. Okay, so the browning is in there. Now what I'm going to do is, I know everyone used the tradition of the flour, but I don't use flour. I use cornmeal, you guys. I use some cornmeal, which I have right here, and I sprinkle some of the cornmeal inside of it. Okay, I don't want to put too much, so I sprinkle a little bit of the cornmeal inside of this. Ooh, the camera was shaking a little, sorry. Yeah, so I put the cornmeal inside, and then I gradually just mix, just stir in that cornmeal, let that cornmeal cook in there. And then I'm going to add some more water, and then I'm going to show you how it looks afterwards. After I get everything inside of there, we're going to add some more water, and then we're going to basically see how everything looks once I mix everything into place. Okay, so be right back. So now everything has thickening to the liking. So you see I made the browning sauce with the cornmeal. It looks really delicious. So I'm just going to put the covering on it. And now we're going to go over to the empanadas. So now this is the empanada and dough. And I always use the Goya pack for the empanada dough. So I put that in there. And then I take some ground meat. Take a little bit of ground meat and put some in the center right here. Okay, and then I fold, you guys. That's what I do. I fold. Okay, so I make sure everything is sealed in so you can see. Okay, I fold it like that, and then I gradually just pinch down. Make sure all the meat is in there. Pinch down, pinch down, pinch down. I want you guys to see. Then I pinch down, pinch down, pinch down. Now I do it in this metal pan because I don't want the dough I want the dough to remain cold. So I know this metal flat pan is going to make it remain cold. And yeah, this is my little empanada. As you guys can see. So this is why I do it in the metal, so it can stay down. Yeah, you guys. So yeah, once I do that, I do one. Okay. As you can see, sorry, I know you can't see. So yeah, so this is one empanada, and then I take another piece of the empanada, and then I do another, which they come in a sealed, already done. And then I do another one. Turn this one this way. Now I do another one, which is right here. Put that scoop of ground meat in there. In the center, as you can see, because we want to keep it centered. We always want to keep the meat centered. Then I gradually just fold it so it could touch to the other circle. Okay, you guys, you can see it right there. Okay. So you want to always make sure you flatten around it before you put the pinches on it. Okay, so then we're going to go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I want you guys to see. 6, 7, 8. There we go. Isn't that like a perfect? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah. So then I'm going to continue to do more and more and more. And I will be right back to show you how it looks. So now you guys, here it is. Okay, all of the empanadas. And now we're going to do the rest where I put some egg yolk on each of them. Okay. And I just gradually just rub it on there, you know. So I do it with my hands, you guys, because this is my food. So yeah. So I just gradually just put some, you know, egg yolk on each. I think I put a little bit too much on this one. Okay. Can't find my brush, you guys, but I like to do it with my hands. Okay. Put a little. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Just to give it that. Okay, we want to give it that. Okay, so we're going to do it on each. I'm doing it with my hands because this is mine. But if I was cooking for someone else, I wouldn't do it with my hands. So don't worry, you guys. Don't get grossed out. I wash my hands, okay? So yeah. I like to catch them. I like to make sure they're all, you know, okay? Yeah, so we rub some of that yolk, okay? Not too much, but I think I put too much on this one. All right, so now it's time to place them in the oven. Be right back. Guys, these are my empanadas. Yes, they are looking so good. Browning on the top. They just look really, really delicious. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bells, and give your girl a thumbs up. Okay? And stay tuned for some more from Hoodalicious Cooking. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.